Hello guys, this is Reena V. George from RVG Maths and Talents. Welcome all of you. Today we are doing polynomials exercise 2.1. Okay, let us start. Already we have studied zeros of a polynomial, is it? And we have seen that zeros of a polynomial p of x are the x-coordinates of the points where the graph of y equal to p of x intersects the x-axis. Okay. Then here we are doing some questions. Okay. I think all of you are ready for that. Let us do it together. Okay. See the question. The graphs of y equal to p of x are given in figure. Okay. Then we have to find the number of zeros in each case. Okay, let us see the questions. See, this is the first one. See here, this is the graph of y equal to p of x. See, you can see it's a line. Then you know it's a linear polynomial, is it? Okay, then you just observe this. Is it intersecting with the x-axis? No. Is it? What we have studied? The zeros of a polynomial are the x-coordinates of the points of intersection of the graph with the x-axis. So here there is no intersecting point. That means there are no zeros here. So what is the number of zeros here? That is 0. Okay. Then come to the next question. See here, this is the graph of y equal to p of x. Okay. Then we are asked to find out the number of zeros. Can you find out? Number of zeros means x-coordinates of the points of intersection of the graph with the x-axis. Let us see the intersecting points. See here, you can see it intersects with the x-axis at this point. See, this is x-axis and this is graph. They are intersecting at this point. There is only one point here, is it? So how many zeros are there? That is only 1. So the number of zeros is 1. Have you understood? Okay. Then come to the next question. See, third one. Okay. See here, this is the graph of y equal to p of x. Okay. Then we want to find out number of zeros. That means we have to find out the intersecting points. Okay. How many intersecting points are here? Let us see. See, this is one intersecting point. Okay. Then this is another intersecting point. Okay. Then this is another intersecting point. Okay. So how many intersecting points are there? Only 3. Is it? That means there are 3 zeros here. Is it? What are the zeros? Zeros are the x-coordinates of these 3 points. Okay. Have you got it? Okay. Come to the next question. This is one. See here, this is the graph of y equal to p of x. Okay. Then we want to find the number of zeros. That means we want to find the intersecting points. Okay. See, this is one intersecting point. This is another one. So total 2 points are there. That means 2 zeros are there. Okay. So number of zeros is 2. Got it? Okay. Come to the next one. See. This is the graph of y equal to p of x. This graph, this curve, is it? This curve is the graph of y equal to p of x. Then we want to find the number of zeros. So zeros are the x-coordinates of the intersecting points with the x-axis, is it? So this is one intersecting point. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. So how many intersecting points are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. Okay. So 4 zeros are there. Okay. Then come to the next question. See here. This is the graph of y equal to p of x. The graph intersects with the x-axis, is it? Which are the points of intersection? This is one point of intersection. This is another point. And this is another point. That means total 3 points. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. Okay. So we can find 3 zeros for this polynomial. I think all of you got it, is it? I think all of you started loving mathematics, okay? Anyway, if you are struggling with mathematics, you can buy Oswald or Arihant guidebooks, or you can download free notes from my website, or you can join my tuition classes. Okay, all the links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Let us see in the next class. Okay, thank you.